Hello, today we will guide you through how to claim rewards in Axiom Pro. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page on the Solana view. This is the starting point for finding the rewards area, so make sure the page is fully loaded before continuing. If your screen looks slightly different, that is normal, since layouts can vary a little depending on updates or screen size. What matters is that you are on the main Discover section. Once you are on that page, move your mouse to the top area of the screen and hover over Vision. You do not need to click right away. Simply place your cursor over it and wait for the menu or navigation options to appear. Hovering is important here because it reveals the next place you need to go. After that, look for the right arrow and click it. This arrow helps you move further into the available menu options. If you do not see it immediately, take a moment to scan the top navigation area carefully. Sometimes small interface elements can be easy to miss, especially on a busy screen. Next, click on Rewards. This will take you to the section where available reward options are displayed. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your connection is slow or the platform is refreshing account data. Once the rewards page opens, you are in the correct place to continue. At this point, select the sample option if there is a reward available. In other words, if you can see a reward entry listed, choose it to proceed. This is where you confirm or access the reward that is ready for you. Be sure to read what is shown on the screen so you understand what you are selecting before moving ahead. If you do not see a reward option available right away, scroll down the page. As you move lower, look for the option labeled Set Referral Code to earn rewards. Then click it. This gives you another route related to earning rewards within the platform. Scrolling slowly can help make sure you do not pass it by. And that's it. You have now gone from the Discover page to the Rewards section and identified the available reward path, or the referral code option if no reward is currently shown. As a final tip, if something does not appear as expected, refreshing the page or revisiting the Rewards tab can help. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to complete.